Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance on the T100 Mini Mist. It's very simple to do, but it's very important that you do it. So make sure you do it regularly. We're going to talk about the couple things that you need to do. First thing is more of a cosmetic thing, and that is you take your mist applicator cleaner and put some in a rag and just wipe the machine down. That'll get all the old dried off cosmetic bronzers and things off the machine, keep your machine looking nice, and keep it in good shape. So cleaning the outside of the machine is the first thing. The most important thing though is making sure you check and clean your filter regularly. And to do this, you want to just take the machine, turn it over, and then underneath the machine you have this filter door here. So you're going to take a regular standard screwdriver and just stick it in the slots and work it back and forth until you can get it out enough to grab it with your fingers, and then you can just pull it out. Once you've got the filter out, you've got a cage and then this foam element inside here. So just take your fingers, grab onto the foam and pull it out. Now inspect the filter. A lot of times it's not as dirty, and sometimes it can be really dirty. So this side, as you can see, doesn't look so dirty, but when I flip it over, you can see some dried solution in that in the other side of the filter. So in order to clean this, all I'm going to do is take it over to the sink, rinse it under some hot water, and with maybe a little bit of dishwashing soap or something like that, and make sure that it's dry afterwards. Air dry it very thoroughly before you put it back into the cage and reinsert it in the machine. So to reinsert it, just push the filter back into the filter cage and then pull it up so that it sits flush at the top like that. And then you can reinsert it back into the machine, and it doesn't matter which way it goes. Just push it in, and that's it. Very important to do if you're doing lots of tans a day, more than say 20 tans a day with this machine, then I would definitely be checking the filter every few days. If you're not doing so much, and then probably once a week, but it's very important that you make sure you check the filter, clean it regularly, and make sure that it's really dry before you put it back into the machine, because you don't want to suck any moisture into the machine itself. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.